Hello everyone, welcome to Static GK quiz number 162. This video is aimed to help you with your central and state government job examinations. I'm Trisha from GKToday and I'll be taking you through this. The provision of extra liquidity to an illiquid but a presumably solvent bank by the central bank is performed by which of the following? The correct answer is lender of last resort. RBI is known as the lender of last resort because banks are supposed to meet their shortfalls of cash from other sources, and if the other sources don't meet the demand, then they approach RBI. Why Reserve Bank of India is called custodian of foreign balances of the country? The correct answer is because RBI maintains both gold and foreign currencies as reserves against note issues. Which among the following is defined by any reductions in private consumption or investment that occurs because of an increase in government spending? The correct answer is crowding out effect. In economics, crowding out is a phenomenon that occurs when increased government involvement in a sector of the market economy substantially affects the remainder of the market, either on supply or demand side of the market. The term rolling settlements is predominantly used in which of the following markets? The correct answer is capitals market. A capitals market is a financial market in which long-term debt or equity-backed securities are bought and sold. Capital markets channel the wealth of savers to those who can put it to long-term productive use. The excess of total expenditures over total receipts is known as budget deficit. In any given time period, the government's budget can be either in deficit or in surplus. A deficit occurs when the government spends more than it taxes, and a surplus occurs when a government taxes more than it spends. Which among the following is the correct definition of fiscal deficit? The correct answer is excess of total expenditure over total receipts less borrowings. So, a fiscal deficit occurs when a government's total expenditures exceed the revenue that it generates, excluding money from borrowings. Deficit differs from debt, which is an accumulation of yearly deficits. For which of the following purpose Rajamanar Committee was constituted? The correct answer is CentreState Fiscal Relations. A CentreState Relations Inquiry Committee was set up by then DMK government of Tamil Nadu on 2nd September 1969 under the chairmanship of Dr. P.V. Rajamanar to consider the entire question regarding relationship that should subsist between the centre and the states in a federal setup. Which among the following committee was constituted for monetary system? The correct answer is Chakravarti Committee. The Sukhamai Chakravarti Committee was formed in December 1982 under the chairmanship of Professor Sukhamai Chakravarti to assess the functioning of the Indian monetary system. Its goal was to improve monetary regulation, a feat that was hoped it would enable price stability. The committee, which submitted its report in April 1985, believed that price stability was essential for promoting growth and achieving other social objectives. Which of the following committee was related to foreign direct investment? The correct answer is N.K. Singh Committee. It was also known as the FRRBM or the Fiscal Responsibility and Budget Management Committee. It had submitted its 4-volume report on changes in 2013 in the FRRBM Act to the Union Finance Minister Arun Jaitley. The 5-member committee was headed by N.K. Singh, who was a former Revenue and Expenditure Secretary and a former MP. Which of the following committee was constituted with a focus on disinvestment? The correct answer is G.V. Ramakrishna Committee. So disinvestment is a withdrawal or reduction of investment. That's all for today's quiz. Until the next video, goodbye.